It's no big secret that Molotov Mitchell hates abortion. I hate it with the fury of 1,000 suns. I hate abortion like Muslims hate Israel. I hate abortion like Obama hates Israel. In my opinion, abortion is the single greatest crime in America's history. But how do we defeat it? I mean, it's been legal since 1973. Well, if the crime took place in 1973, then perhaps we conservative gumshoes should revisit the crime scene. I mean, they did have tape recorders back then, and they did record Supreme Court cases. So let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we?
And the basic constitutional question initially is whether or not an unborn fetus is a person,
Yes.
isn't it? It's critical to this case, is
Yes,
it not?
sir, it is.
If it were established that an unborn fetus is a person within the protection of the 14th Amendment, you would have almost an impossible case here. Would you
I
not?
would have a very difficult
You certainly would. Because
Could Texas constitutionally, in your view, declare that by statute that a fetus is a person for all constitutional purposes?
The state could obviously adopt that kind of statute, and then the question would have to be adjudicated.
Aha! The same case that unleashed abortion upon America is the same case that gave us the tools to reverse it. If indeed a state can establish that a fetus is a person by definition, then liberals don't have a case at all. It is nearly impossible to continue abortion therein. But Molotov, you may be wondering, could it be that easy? Could defining unborn children as people really work? What an astute question. The answer is, it has already worked! In Hungary, just this year, the Hungarian people have adopted a new constitution, a modern constitution, that's been hailed as the first constitution for the 21st century. It's been called a constitution for the 21st century because it addresses modern concerns like human trafficking and cloning. In Article 2, this brave new constitution also addresses personhood. Human dignity is inviolable. Everyone has the right to life and human dignity. The life of a fetus will be protected from conception. Boom! Abortion is hereby banished from Hungary forever. And if an entire nation can define personhood in its constitution and thereby eradicate the scourge of the abortion industrial complex overnight, then I think your tiny little state can too.